Hey guys, Aridiva here from aridiva.com, just with a quick hair update to let you know what results you might get if you put box color over your Henna'd hair. Now, I wish I had done my research prior, because doing all my Google searches, I realized that people who have Henna'd hair, they don't generally get good results when they try to lighten it. And I am a color craver. I love having a nice bright color in my hair. I feel that it gives me a brighter, just a refreshed look. I've always had blonde hair, even when it was relaxed. So I was kind of craving that color, even though the henna made my hair feel so good. So what I did was try, before I actually put just regular, bleach on my hair, I tried to just do a box color to see what results I would get. And this is it. This is not one box color either. I waited 2 weeks and then I did it again. So this is the result of 2 applications, and you can see that it's very orange and kind of look like Carrot Top a little bit. I'm not crazy about the color. It's not going to stay like this at all. I'm just trying to weigh my options right now to see what the next move should be, because I started out on this journey trying to say that, okay, I'm going to bleach my hair and then I'm going to do a henna over it so that I'll get a nice bright red, because that was my aim. But I've begun to fall in love again with the whole idea of going back blonde. So I can't tell you what my next move is going to be, but something has to give, because this orange color is not the business. I just deep conditioned it just now, so it's still a little wet, right? It's very wet right now. I had aloe and honey, olive oil, coconut oil, and wheat germ oil in it, and it came out nice and soft, because the last box color really did a number on it. It was very straw-like for about a couple days there, so it really needed that deep condition, and it has sprung right back. It's very soft and really nice right now. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but this was just a quick update to let you know, if you try to color your hair after you've henna'd, be warned. See you later.